Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake, and this time for a wedding. Let's get started.
I am very aware at the moment that many eager couples have had to postpone their weddings that they were planning on for months or even years because of COVID-19. That can also lead to devastating financial setbacks, and many couples will now have to have a much simpler wedding than was originally planned. This video is my way of trying to help. This is one way of making your own wedding cake, or for a friend, out of a simple white frosted sheet cake. I start out sketching a couple hearts in the middle of the cake with a skewer. These overlap just a tiny bit. I even correct one side. Then I sketch curly letters to be the monograms of the couple, in this case T and C. Then I follow the sketch of the monograms with a round piping tip. I think this was a number 6. Then I skip the hearts for the moment and go on to the curlicues at the bottom edge of the cake. Then I do a row along the top edge as well. I don't put them all the way to the edge so there's room for a border. Then I mark evenly along the side of the cake and use a circle cutter to press an arch between the marks that I made. Then I pipe along those marks. It's kind of like faux drop lines. Then I switch to a medium star tip and pipe along the marked hearts. This is just a simple squeeze and release. It's hard to see, but I'm piping a reverse shell border along the bottom. This is a series of loops going in alternating directions. One up, then one down, then up, then down. This is one of my favorite borders. I think it looks really elegant. Then I pipe the same reverse shell border along the edge of the cake. As a final touch, I piped a few simple fleur-de-lis where the drop lines met. This is just a group of 3 shells bunched together. I think this cake is really elegant with the white on white, and was really only beginning level piping necessary. It takes a bit of patience, but is definitely something an aspiring cake decorator could make. I sincerely hope that all those waiting to get married will be able to soon. Best wishes. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.